There's a big misconception about project management, and I see it reflected in the attitudes a lot of project managers have, but also in the content of things like the PMI and the PMBOK. If you're starting out your career in construction or project management, then it's an important misconception to address because it'll change how you see your career path and what skills you choose to develop. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what this big misconception is, and it's going to directly relate to the difference between construction management and project management. And then if you're trying to understand the difference between a construction management career and a project management career, I'm going to show you how to reframe this question so you can choose the career path that's best for you. Okay, so what is this misconception? This misconception is the idea that you can be a great project manager without understanding the subject matter or the technical specifics of the work you are managing. Just because you've studied project management, you could run a construction project with no understanding of construction. Or because you've worked on a construction project and understand construction project management, you could then go and run a software project. This is categorically untrue. A lot of project managers have this belief that the only skill they need are project management skills, that a budget is a budget and a schedule is a schedule. Anybody who says differently is just overcomplicating things. To a very basic degree, this is true. The fundamental principles are the same across projects, but how you apply them is completely different. And to effectively apply these principles, you need to understand what you are managing. Now, I'm not saying you need to understand this perfectly. I'm not saying you need to be an absolute expert in everything. And if you're not, you can always rely on your team. But you need to be willing to accept that there's gaps in your knowledge and work in filling these. The worst project managers I've seen in my career don't accept this. They want to manage the project without actually understanding what they're managing. That's why when people make this comparison of should you pursue a career in construction management or project management, it's fundamentally not the right question to ask. Project management is a skill set. Construction management is a job role. Construction management is a job role where you apply the project management skill set to construction projects. They're not competing career paths, they complement each other. I'm guessing if you're asking this question of should you study construction management or should you study project management, then the real question you're asking is where is there a career where I can manage and lead projects, I can work on technically interesting stuff, but you don't want to get into the physical works or the technical details. In this case, the job role of a project manager would suit well. The question you need to ask is where do you want to apply these project management principles? Do you want to work on building projects? Do you want to work in real estate development? Do you want to work on renewable energy projects? Do you want to work on civil infrastructure projects? You need to work out where you want to apply your project management skills. Once you answer this question, then you can work out what you should study. For example, if you want to work as a renewable energy project manager, then you combine the technical skills of renewable energy with the project management skills. If you want to work in commercial construction, then study something like property development and project management. If you just study project management as defined in the PMBOK or any sort of project management study, then you're missing out on the application of these skills, which is always going to limit you as a project manager. You need to find an application of these skills. If you are interested in a career in construction management and want to understand the career of a construction project manager better, then watch this video next.